shrimp.
The amazing Chef Paulette is here. She is sharing authentic Italian dishes, as she always does, with us and for you. We are doing spaghetti. Ooh, I love that sound, Chef Paulette.
It's alive.
It is. The shrimp is plenty dead, but the sauce is alive. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. Okay, what are you showing us how to make today?
Okay, this is a seafood sauce that's been in my family from a long time ago, from a Sicilian recipe.
Yes.
Okay, so we used to make this actually with blue claw crabs, but we're making it with shrimp, and you can make it with lobster. You can make it with any kind of seafood. It's really fabulous.
Do you prefer like a shellfish?
Yes.
Okay.
Shellfish is what really makes this
preferred.
happen. Yeah.
Okay.
So I already did the beginning of this. I'm going to put this on the heat, but it's going to start going, wow.
Yeah, that's okay. So what's in this pot?
So right now it was just some oil that I sauteed the shrimp just until it sort of got pink, not all the way, and then...
Okay, so this is oil from the residual from sauteing the shrimp.
And of course the shrimp throws some liquid, so this is all like shrimpy flavor in there. So that's what's nice about putting it there.
Wonderful.
But here's what comes next. Garlic, parsley, dried oregano, and red pepper flakes.
Okay.
So this is the flavoring agent.
Garlic, parsley, red pepper,
dried oregano. And this is the flavor combination that just makes this an amazing, amazing sauce, okay? So it's so easy. I mean, really, it's only going to take like 15 minutes altogether.
I think that's one of the things with when you're working with shrimp. It comes together really quickly, but sometimes we just don't really know how to make it taste
And
as
even
good as
as a tomato sauce, it doesn't have to cook that long.
Okay.
So you really want to just cook it for like less than a minute.
Okay.
You don't want the garlic to turn color. I put a splash of wine, although the family recipe doesn't use wine, but I'm using it.
Yes, you are. And
So-
you let that kind of burn off the alcohol.
Yeah, a little bit. We can let that cook just a bit. I just want to let you know that I made the whole thing before. So there's a finished one.
Oh, this is finished.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And
Oh,
so,
yeah, it sure is.
Yeah. So that one, I used these fabulous, this is a great brand, Pastene. It just came to Publix in the Nashville area. It's from the Northeast. But they have this DOP San Marzano tomatoes, and DOP means that it's been approved by the government, that it's from this very specific place near Naples, and they're very special tomatoes. So I made that one with those, but this one we're going to use.
By the way, I'm so glad you told me this, because if I ever find this and use this, I'll be telling you very special tomatoes, guys. The DOP. I can't remember who they are, but it means it's legit. But different regions do produce different flavors.
Yes, but these are famous tomatoes. Those are famous tomatoes. For this one, I'm going to use this crushed tomato. They're calling it kitchen ready, which means that it's already
crushed,
ready to go in. You don't have to cut it up or anything. So we're just going to add this to there. Okay. And stir it up.
Tomato sauce.
And this is basically it. What you do is we'll put some salt and pepper, but you let that simmer, and when you put your pasta in the water, you put your shrimp back in the tomatoes. And they finish cooking while the pasta's cooking.
Gotcha.
Okay, so right now, that's how you build the sauce. Let's take this out. This is already cooked spaghetti. Might be a little overcooked. It's been hanging around.
Well, I got a little chatty with Chef
Okay, now
Paulette.
I'm just going to get a little drippy over here. So step back.
Here, why don't you get out of the way here?
Put it right in here. And then, don't worry about that.
It's impressive muscles, Chef Paulette. Do the sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we go. So just coat your sauce, coat your spaghetti, and put the shrimp in there. And then typically for a seafood recipe, you don't use cheese. You use this.
What is it?
So this is some toasted breadcrumb that you just toast with a little bit of olive oil. You can season it with salt and pepper.
Just salt and pepper? Do you do Italian seasoning or just salt and pepper?
No, just salt and pepper. And in fact, some people just toast the breadcrumb and use it that way and don't even put any olive oil. And it's a condiment to like seafood pasta, which is really, really good.
Do you
and you
keep
just
this?
mix
do you
it
do
in.
this in batch and then just sort of keep it in your house?
No, because I don't know, because you want it to be kind of toasty, and so it's good to like do it just before you're going to use it. So of course put more of this on.
We have to go, but I'm excited to have this, guys.
Really good.
She's doing a Chinese New Year Zoom class because Chef Paulette teaches all things. So you can email her at info@chefpaulette.net. chefpaulette.net to reserve. The information at the bottom of your screen, info@chefpaulette.net.
Yeah, we're doing that on Tuesday.
This
Yeah,
Tuesday.
yeah.
So good, Chef Paulette. Thank you.